Hi everyone. We started from Kumta towards Yana Caves in the morning. It's around 29 kilometers from Kumta to Yana. Yana is basically famous for its unusual rock formation within the Kumta forest. If you visit Kumta or Gokarna, this is a must place to visit too. People at Kumta said that the best time to visit Yana Caves is in the morning before 10 a.m. Since it's within the forest, it's usually nice to visit in the morning so that you don't feel tired to climb the mountain. If you're going in your own vehicle, then the roads to Yana are really nice and well maintained. However, you don't get to see much tea shops when you travel towards Yana Caves. We found one, and it's very remote area, so it's better to have your own water bottles and food items. One more important thing that you should know before going to Yana is that there's no network facility available within Yana as it is inside the forest. The villagers said that BSNL network is mostly available. This is the Yana Caves entrance. You need to stop your vehicle here and then walk towards the caves. Once you start walking towards the caves, this is how the road is going to be. They don't allow bikes here, so you need to walk until you reach the cave.
Hi everyone. So hope you are all following our videos. So it's Vikram and it's Vaibhav. So we basically do vlogging for our travel videos. We are passionate travelers. Today we are in Yana. So hope you know that Yana is the monolithic rock formation. So it's a natural rock. As per the people over here, they told it takes 20 minutes to 30 minutes to reach one stone, and it's completely off-road. No one is around as well. Careful when you are coming. Do come with a water bottle, some energy drinks,
And wear shoes.
some eateries. Wear some sports shoes or some tight shoes. So I'll just show you the path. It's how it looks. When you're visiting Yana, so definitely will not have any kind of network over here.
Try to visit Yana in the morning so that you get to experience the cool breeze. Then you get more excited to walk if it's in the morning. If you come in the afternoon, you'll already be exhausted and you won't be able to walk so much. I think it's approximately 1.5 to 2 kilometers to walk towards the rock. So you need a lot of energy. Try to hydrate yourself, keep water bottles ready and food items if you feel like eating something. We have started early. The time is around 9:40 now and it's still not that bright. So there are places to sit and relax while you walk. This place is really nice. If you visit Kumta or you come towards Gokarna, it's a must place to visit. It's really nice, it's really safe to walk here. Since we have come a little early, I think we haven't met any met anyone yet, but it's really nice. Looks like we've reached some point, and this is Mahaganapati temple.
Half a view.
Hope we reach some point. There he is, so excited. No, you get tired a lot. They help protect leopards. Oh, I'm so tired already. There's so many steps. No, you gotta climb all of them to reach your destination. But yeah, this is exciting. Whoa, we reached. There it is. Looks so good, so natural. There's a temple inside these caves, and when we went, we had to go inside this temple and then take the path towards a cave. So they didn't allow us to wear footwear and go inside. Thanks for watching our video. Please do subscribe for more videos like this.